Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lindsey. Today's going to be a more relaxed type of skincare video. I'm going to chat with you guys how and why I got into clean beauty and show you the skincare routine I've been doing as of late. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we get started, if you guys aren't already subscribed, I would love to have you, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it at any point. But let's get into the video. So this video is in partnership with 100% Pure, which is so exciting. I've used this brand for the longest time. They're one of the first brands I ever really bought that was clean skincare. I'm really excited to share with you guys these products and how I've been using them. So thank you to 100% Pure for partnering with me, and thank you to you guys for making this possible, because it is really all thanks to you. So thank you guys, but let's get started on my skincare. So how I'm gonna do this is just apply my skincare. We're gonna do like a little chatty video, and then after that I will do a review of the products for you guys, but I just wanted to be pretty chatty at first. The first product, which I already used, is the 100% Pure Fermented Rice Water Cleanser. Again, I will review that after I put everything on, but the next step, I'm actually going to put on the 100% Pure Bright Eyes Depuff and Brighten. I have used these before and I really like them, so I'm gonna pop these on. I've always wondered which way these actually go on. I think you could do it either way. But anyway, these are so nice. They actually stick to your face. I've tried some of these that just like literally slide off. And once I have these on, I like to sort of just like press on them a little bit so the serum, just all the good skincare ingredients, get pressed onto my skin. All right, now that those are on, I really like using these types of products like under eye gels for usually in the morning if my eyes are just feeling really puffy, if you have an event to go to, or if you just want your makeup to look extra nice. Like, these are amazing. So now that those are on, let's go ahead and just start chatting about why I started clean beauty. Like, I get this question a lot. I have mentioned it in a earlier video, but it was honestly probably over a year ago, so I thought I would do an updated one because you guys are asking me all the time basically how I started all this. There wasn't really a singular event or anything that piqued my interest with clean beauty and skincare. It kind of just started with my interest in skincare. I was really into makeup. I'm sure you guys already know this. I loved conventional beauty. I was mostly just into doing makeup. I really didn't use any skincare. Like, I literally used Aveeno body lotion on my face and that was it. And then I think the brand that started it for me was at Ulta, Shea Moisture Skincare, which is like on more of the natural side. I just naturally gravitated towards natural skincare when I was getting into it. I'm not really sure why. I think it was just my inclination that if something was natural and could work as well as a conventional product, I'd rather have it be natural, because I kind of was aware that the ingredients in conventional products weren't the best, especially for skincare. I feel like it's so important to start with skincare because it gets directly applied onto your skin and absorbed into your skin, and like that's the whole point of it. So I did start with clean skincare before I moved on to clean makeup. And another factor that got me into it was that I do have very sensitive skin. So some of the makeup products I was using was causing a reaction, and I didn't really know what to do to fix it. So that's how I got into skincare, and I went to clean skincare products to help clear up my skin and balance it, because I was having a lot of skincare problems. And again, around that time I also started to get into clean makeup. So that's pretty much the gist of it. Is I wanted products that would work for my sensitive skin and had better ingredients, and that's why I started looking online, looking on Instagram, and that's right around when I started my Instagram account as well. I was just looking for some resources. There wasn't a ton of stuff online either. There's a lot more clean beauty gurus now, but when I first got into it, there was only a couple, and I couldn't really find the videos I was looking for. That's also why I started a clean beauty channel, specifically doing more glam makeup styles, because when I started clean beauty, I went onto YouTube trying to find some more glam makeup looks that I was used to, because like I mentioned, I was so into conventional beauty. I was really used to those super glam looks that were really in the moment, and even though I didn't do that every day, I thought it was so interesting and just creative to watch, and I didn't find any of that in the clean beauty space. So that was what my channel was all about, was just bringing more glam, just those types of conventional beauty looks to the clean beauty space. And as my channel grew, I realized that a lot of you guys also agreed to me there wasn't a ton of glam makeup looks, or really any videos that were more on the fun side. I also noticed that videos were just, I didn't want my channel to be super analytical, going too much to ingredients. I like to go over main benefits and ingredients, but I'm never really gonna make a video going over this one specific ingredient. I just like bringing you guys really helpful, just like authentic, like you're chatting with a friend type of video instead of you're watching a scientific video. There's nothing wrong with those, they're very educational, but that's just what I wanted to bring to the clean beauty space, and I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys seem to be enjoying it so far, so thank you for subscribing and watching. It's a blast. For these eye gels, they recommend like 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and wear these for a little bit longer, and then I'll come back. We'll do the rest of the skincare, and then I'll go over my thoughts on everything. All right, I think these are just about done absorbing, so I'm going to take them off. And these are made of, I believe, bamboo cellulose and aloe. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but I definitely noticed like my under eyes look a lot less tired looking, so that's always a good thing, right? I'm gonna go in with their vitamin C serum. So I thought this would be the perfect video to share with you guys how and why I got into clean beauty, because 100% Pure was actually one of the first brands I found for clean skincare and makeup. I feel like they were just one of the first companies I found that like their products really appealed to me. I think for my first order I got the AM and PM vitamin C serum, which I loved. I think I got a balm and a couple makeup products that I all really enjoyed. And they're sort of the first brand that I feel like met my conventional beauty standards, if you guys know what I mean. Like I was just so used to the performance and wear time and just like packaging as well of conventional beauty. Next, I'm using their coffee bean caffeine eye cream for some extra love under the eyes. Just a little bit on my ring fingers. So not only did I find that clean skincare was just way better for my skin type, my sensitive skin, but I also found that the ingredients are just way better for the environment, and it's just like so much better to put your money towards something that is doing good for your skin and for the planet instead of, you know, a product or brand that isn't. And our last step is going to be the Hydra Drench cream, which I've been loving the texture of this. I thought it would be almost a heavier cream by the name of it, but it's like a gel lotion hybrid, and I think my skin's been loving this. I did mention to you guys my skin's been really reactive to certain products I use, but since I've been doing this routine, it's really calmed down. And I think just sticking to something really simple like this, just like an eye treatment, vitamin C that I know works for my skin, and a really moisturizing cream with good ingredients has just helped my skin recover, thankfully. So now we're like back on track, has been doing a lot better. This smells so good too, along with the eye cream. Like I cannot get enough of the scent of those. I'm gonna take a little bit extra of this for my neck too. All right, that was it for the skincare portion. Super quick, easy, and effective. I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup and I'll be back to wrap up my thoughts. All right, I'm back onto my thoughts on the products I've been using lately. Let's start with the Fermented Rice Water Cleanser. I was really interested when I heard the name of this because I've heard that rice water's really good at brightening dark spots, and that's a concern of mine. If you guys know, I do struggle with acne and acne scarring, so I was super excited about this. So this does indeed contain rice water, which has enzymes and amino acids which help to brighten the skin. Also has a few other ingredients like white mulberry, mushroom, and licorice to also aid in lessening dark spots. So this was like right up my alley. It's a light gel consistency. It foams up really nicely. I do find that it removes makeup. Usually with light gel cleansers, I feel like they're not enough to remove my makeup, but this one works really well, especially with my skin type and exfoliating type of product. It's super gentle and I feel like I can use it every day and it doesn't dry out my skin or cause any other issues. I love the smell of this. I don't know how to describe it. Very natural, citrusy. I feel like all these products, they are very natural scents. They do have a scent to them, but they're not overbearing or artificially fragrant. Yeah, that was about it for the cleanser. I've been really enjoying it. It's been in my shower. I usually use this at night, but you can use it morning and night. Sometimes I just don't even cleanse in the morning. I haven't noticed any brightening so far, but I'll have to continue to use it and then update you guys when I finish the bottle. But so far it's been gentle and effective on my skin. All of these products, by the way, and the eye gels you can get in a set on 100% Pure site. So you get a little discount for buying all of these together if you wanted to simplify and clean up your routine. Great way to do so. Then next up we have the vitamin C serum, which I think is such a staple product in my skincare routine. I'm always using some form of vitamin C, especially if you have dark spots or you just want overall brightening of the skin, like vitamin C is the ingredient for that. I've tried a lot of vitamin C serums that aren't effective, but I've been enjoying this one so far. I will have to continue to use it to see fully how the results are on my skin, but I really love the consistency of this. It has a base of aloe, so it's more of a liquidy vitamin C. It's not very thick. It absorbs like almost immediately into the skin. So I find that this is really nice under makeup, and it doesn't pill with any of my products or really interfere with them. So I use this morning and night, and it's just, the consistency is amazing. I love any sort of aloe-based skincare, especially if you have reactive or sensitive skin. It's just very calming and a great skincare ingredient. A couple other ingredients this has is green apple, grape, and ALA to fight oxidative damage in your skin. Then I also wanted to point out that this has an antioxidant, superoxide mutase. Hope I'm saying that correctly. I wanted to mention that because that is also in the Kypris antioxidant dew, which you guys know I love. I feel like it's such an effective serum. So I looked at the ingredient list and was really excited that that's included in here as well, because I find like that really gives a glow to my skin. It's one of my favorite ingredients in skincare, so I'm so glad I found that in another skincare product. Really excited about this. I've been loving the consistency, and I'll continue to use this and see how my results are. But next, on to the 100% pure coffee bean caffeine eye cream. This is probably my favorite out of the bunch that I tried. I've heard about this cream before. I feel like so many people talk about it. I just never got around to trying it. So I was so excited to try it. It smells seriously incredible. Sort of like coffee, but almost like a coffee dessert. It's so nice. It has the perfect lightweight consistency. I feel like when I use this under concealer, my concealer looks so much better. It's just the perfect consistency to use it at night, but also in the morning. It's not too heavy. It's actually a very light feeling cream, and I just love how it makes my under eyes look. This is one of the products I feel like I have noticed a difference in my under eyes. I think the results are pretty quick. So some of the key ingredients in this, of course, coffee bean in there, which contains caffeine, which is known to depuff, increase circulation, and just improve the look of dark circles under your eyes. And then this has some green tea in there as well. Really great, simple ingredient list, very effective. I will continue to use this. I feel like this has blown all my other eye creams out of the water, and you get a lot of product in here. I wasn't imagining the tube to be this big, 1 fluid ounce, and you need the tiniest amount, so I think this would last you a very long time. And the last product I want to talk about is the Hydra Drench Cream. This texture is so good. As I mentioned, as I was applying it, it's almost like a lotiony gel hybrid. It feels really refreshing on the skin. I think this would be perfect for any skin type because it feels like comforting and moisturizing on the skin, but it also doesn't leave you super oily or like greasy feeling. Beautiful under makeup. I've been using this every day under my makeup. I also use it at nighttime. You can layer this with an oil if you want a little bit more of moisturization, but for me, I feel like this is enough. The days after I use this, when I wake up, I feel like my skin is just really happy and balanced. I really just can't get enough of the texture of this either. The smell, again, I don't know how to describe it. Really good. Simple ingredient list. This has some interesting ingredients in it. It has chia seed gel, which has omegas in it, which are really good for like your lipid barrier and just overall skin health. And it also has rose water, which is another great ingredient for sensitive skin or any skin in general. Just a nice ingredient. Yeah, that was everything I wanted to say about this. Alright guys, that was it for my little 100% pure skincare routine. It was so fun working with a brand that I have used for the longest time, and it's one of the first brands I tried when I got into clean skincare. So I hope you guys enjoyed hearing about my story and my thoughts on these products. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe. But I will see you guys in my next video.